How to fix Statu on WhatsApp. Hello guys, if you have any problem with Statu on WhatsApp, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then go back, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again, go to WhatsApp app between all the apps. Now this is the app information page. As you can see, all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click on force stop and then go to the notifications management, turn off the notifications and enable them again, go back, click on permissions, enable all the permissions, especially the storage, and then go back and click on the data usage, and here make sure to enable all the network access options. After that, go back and click on the last one, power usage details, and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled, and then the app launch also, it should be on manage automatically. Go back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and disable the airplane mode. Now reopen WhatsApp, and congratulations, the problem must be solved easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe.